You should buy these Air Jordan 1s while you can. Giveaway for the lost and found Air Jordan 1s. This giveaway is completely free. All you guys need to do is smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, join the More family, subscribe to Affordable Shoe Review here on YouTube. I'll leave his link down below in the description, and make sure you guys leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Air Jordan 1. Lost and found. For a bonus entry, you guys can follow me over on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Follow Affordable Shoe Review and DM me proof that you guys did everything. Good luck on this free sneaker giveaway. This giveaway ends at the end of November, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of lost and found Air Jordan 1s. And please watch out for scammers. There are scammers out there pretending to be me, say they work for me, Telegram, WhatsApp, all this crazy nonsense. Nobody works for me. Please watch out, do not get scammed, and make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of lost and found Jordan 1s. Smash that subscribe button. Join the More family. I love giving back to you guys, and I give back each and every month with free sneaker giveaways. So please make sure you guys join the More family and smash that subscribe button. Restock on this Air Jordan 1 from the Nike sneakers app. We're gonna unbox this Air Jordan 1. I'm gonna show you guys this Air Jordan 1 and tell you guys right now, this is a pair of Air Jordan 1s I think you guys should buy while you can. They're at a really good price point, not too much over retail. It's a clean, wearable Air Jordan 1, and they may even go up in price as time goes on, as more people want this Air Jordan 1. But before we get into this Air Jordan 1, I want to show you guys some recent sneaker pickups. So this first pickup is in this Nike orange box. Right here, we have a pair of Panda Dunks. These are a size 9, brand new, dead stock, and I got these for under retail. If you guys get this video up to 1,000 likes, that's a lot of likes, I'll do a full video telling you guys how you guys can cop some Panda Dunks, other hype sneakers, recent releases for retail, under retail, amazing prices. I've been doing it lately and it's been amazing. So I copped these for only $100.50, which is crazy. It's crazy to see this next pickup. It's crazy to see these under retail. I can sell these for retail and make a little bit of profit, which is awesome because I didn't pay retail. I got them for less. It's crazy. What happened? What happened? What happened? I'm gonna keep saying it. What in the world happened to the taxi yellow toe Air Jordan 1s? They're going for retail, under retail. It's crazy. I got these for what I pay, like $130, which is a steal. So brand new, dead stock. Great shoe. I do think down the line they'll go up. It'll take time, but I definitely see them going up. I guess timing on this release wasn't great, but it's still a great pair of sneakers, and I'll be keeping a pair. So yeah, why not pay $130 for some taxi ones? Yeah, please. Sneakerheads, check this out. This bag holds my sneakers when I'm traveling. Sole Premise bags are made and designed to store sneakers. As you're traveling, you also have room for your clothes, your laptop, chargers, and a ton more space. All of Sole Premise's bags are TSA approved, and they have many different colors, bag styles. All bags are made and designed to store your sneakers. Make sure you guys click the link down below in the description and use my code DannyMoore for 50% off for Sole Premise's Black Friday sale. So if you've been waiting to get a Sole Premise bag or never saw these bags before and think they're awesome, now's your chance to cop for 50% off the entire website. Make sure you guys check out Sole Premise, click my link, use my code DannyMoore for 50% off. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring this video. So those were the recent pickups, those were the steals right there, and now we have a pair of Jordan 1s that I'm going to tell you guys I think you guys should buy now while you can. Resale is going for about retail, maybe a few dollars over. It's not too much over at all. It's a great pair of Jordan 1s that released this year that I think a lot of people are sleeping on. I definitely see them taking time, but eventually going up maybe to $300. Grade school may go up and be a better investment, but definitely will take some time as well. It's just a clean overall pair of Air Jordan 1s, and Nike restocked them and I hit, which is great. You know, I love hitting on Nike. Who doesn't love hitting on Nike, right? Well, make sure you guys leave a comment down below. Let me know your last cop on the Nike sneakers app. Right here we have a Jordan 1 box, which is exciting to see. Tomorrow, we have the Lost and Found Air Jordan 1 release. Guys, do not forget, I am giving away a pair of Lost and Founds, so make sure you guys subscribe. Subscribe to Affordable Shoe Review. His channel is down below in the description. Like this video, and make sure you guys leave a comment. Let me know your size in the Lost and Found Jordan 1. These release tomorrow on the Sneakers app. Good luck. Trust me, you're gonna need it. There's a lot of pairs. I already copped from Finish Line, but I definitely need some more pairs of Lost and Found Jordan 1s. So let me know if you guys took any W's or L's today, tomorrow on the Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s. And stay tuned, I got a do not sell video coming for the Lost and Found Air Jordan 1, and you do not want to miss it. Make sure you guys subscribe. So, let's check out these Jordan 1s that I was able to hit on. Nike, thank you. Thank you for this one. Ooh, here they are. Haven't seen them in a while. I quick flipped these when I got them. I got them in for a video and sold them right away for what I paid. Here they are, the Air Jordan 1 Stage Haze Bleach Coral. These are, honestly, slept on. I think it's one of the most slept on releases of the year. I think a lot of people will take a look back at this year and realize how good of a Jordan 1 this was. Maybe not one of the best sneaker releases of the year, but Jordan 1 wise, it's definitely up there. We haven't had a bunch of great Jordan 1s this year. If you guys look at it, a lot of them are trash. This one happens to be definitely one of the most wearable. As far as colorway, color blocking, quality, it's all there. Materials, it's all there. You do have suede on the back. You got leather up top, the gray and the white. And then you have the black toe color blocking. You do have the cracked leather. It is not nearly as cracked like it is here on the Lost and Found, but it's still cracked black leather there. Nonetheless, it's a dope Air Jordan 1. It's clean, and the color blocking is awesome. It really is. If you guys wear pants with these, you're gonna cover up most of the back here, and you'll have like the black toe color blocking really going on. So it's a really good Jordan 1. Gray on the bottom. You know this bottom is going to get very, very dirty. So I highly recommend putting on Drip Grip sole protectors. The best sole protector on the market. You guys can copy your Drip Grip sole protectors with the link down below in the description. And use my code Danny10 for 10% off your order. You got black laces. They come with some extra laces. You got the salmon color, a bleach coral color, and then white laces. I'd probably keep the black laces in these to match the black tongue. I think they're very clean, very wearable. Resell is not too hot. It's not hot at all. It's a little bit over retail. Get them basically for around retail. Listen, I do think it'll take time, but potentially here, potential to go up. Potential to go up. It'll take time. I'm talking maybe a year, year and a half, but potentially we can see them go up a little bit. It'll take some time though. It's a clean Jordan 1, and I definitely think people are sleeping and really forgot about these when it comes to the grand scheme of sneaker releases this entire year. There's been a lot of heat recently, but if you look back a few months ago, not so much. And these, stood in with that. They kind of stood in with the not so much heat dropping. But if you look back on it now, they're clean. They are. They're clean. They're wearable, and I see people rocking them. So I think it's a good Jordan 1, one of the best releases, and I think you guys should buy them while you can. Hey, if you're looking for an affordable, wearable, clean, everyday Jordan 1, it's your go-to right now. I definitely think that it's a great pair of Jordan 1s. If you're looking to make some money, maybe not. Maybe hold off. It's a long-term investment, if anything. But I definitely think it's a clean Jordan 1 that you guys can buy while you can. Because, don't forget, a lot of Jordan 1 prices are expensive. These are expensive when you look at comparison. You can get almost 2 pairs for the price of 1. So, it's kind of crazy to see that. Guys, make sure you guys don't sleep here on the Bleach Coral Stage Haze Air Jordan 1. Buy them while you can. Free Lost and Found giveaway. Make sure you guys subscribe. Subscribe to Affordable Shoe Review. His link is down below in the description. And leave a comment. Let me know your size in the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.